Hello students, let's start part 3 of the chapter How the State Government Works. In this video we will study about working of the government and dear students, you have to watch this video carefully, listen carefully and don't skip this video so that you will be able to understand. Let's start the topic working of the government. So how does it work? See these three steps. One, legislative assembly, right? The discussion in legislative assembly, debate in legislative assembly we have discussed. After that, media, press conference, through the press conference. And third one is on ground level by leaders like CM, ministers and others. So in these three steps you can understand the process of working of the government. Let's discuss. In the previous video we discussed that some MLAs asked the question to the minister and blamed the government for the worst conditions of the people. And one of the MLA reported and said in the legislative assembly that 15 people died due to the disease or diarrhea. So the legislative assembly is not the only place where opinions are expressed about the work of the government. So we can know about the work of government in TV channels, newspapers and other organizations regularly. Clear? Of means the knowledge of the government and its works. Clear? So what happened after that? After the discussion in legislative assembly, the MLAs and chief ministers came out, and after that a press conference was organized. What is press conference? Press conference is a gathering of journalists who are called for hearing about and on a particular issue they are supposed to ask the question, and after that they report in the newspapers and different TV channels. So this was organized by the health minister. Large numbers of people from different newspapers were present. The minister and some government officials also were there, and the minister explained the steps the government, the same answers he gave in the legislative assembly, then he explained in front of the reporters and journalists, right? And after that these discussions were then reported in different newspapers. The following page has one such report. You can see here this one. Government smells the garbage. It means government came to know about the problem of the people, gathering of garbage, the stock of garbage must be removed. So during the next week, this is the third step, during the next week the chief minister and the minister for health visited Patalpuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives, means 15 people died. In the previous video we discussed, we saw that one of the MLAs raised the question, clear, in the hospitals. The government announced a compensation for these people. The chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also of lack of clean drinking water. He said that high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the minister for public works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. Means this is one of the steps taken by the government. When the government takes the step after identifying the problems of the people. So when chief minister and ministers visited the areas and on the ground level, then they came to know about the problems and they found the solution, and they means are supposed to set up a committee, and then they directed to the public works department to do the needful. So as you saw about the people in power like chief minister and the minister have to take action, they do so through various departments like the public works department. This is the department who works for public, the agriculture department, health department, education department and so on. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly and after that in the press conference also. So the people know about the actions of the government, steps of the government. When they read the newspaper, they watch the television, etc. So convince people asking the question that proper steps are being taken. So at the same time, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conference, because in press conference the reporters ask the question and the journalists ask the question and the ministers have to give the answer. So let's come again here. The government can also decide to make new laws. New laws are made by the government for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations, right, to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. This can be a direction from the government. It may also ensure that health worker is appointed in every village. In every village, health worker should be there. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament, as we discussed in the previous video, and then you will read more about the parliament in the class 8. Then finally, in our democracy, it is people who elect their representatives. In the first video of this chapter, we discussed that democracy means consisting of the representatives of people, and representatives as members of legislative assembly in the states, and thus it is the people who have the main authority because they ask the question to the MLAs, to members of legislative assembly. The ruling party members then form the government and some members are appointed ministers. These ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health in the above example. Health minister who took care about, looked into the matter in the hospitals, right, about diarrhea, etc. So whatever work is done by these departments has to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly, and in this way the government takes the decisions and makes the laws. So this was about this chapter, and a wallpaper project you can do yourself. Read these extracts from the textbook and you can do yourself. So dear students, in this way we have completed this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can ask me by writing in comment box, and to understand better you have to watch this video again. Make the main points. Thank you. Have a nice day.